General Constantine Chiwenga is the undisputed anchor of Zimbabwe's stability, the man who put the nation back on course when it was drifting towards chaos. Zanapena mashugo buda pangu ene general vachipraise vachinzi uyu ndiye munhu wevanhu man. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda pana pachifumusoro unobudanyura chiti is not just a soldier turned vice president, is the symbol of decisive leadership, fearless courage, and patriotic resolve that Zimbabwe needs now more than ever. When the country stood on the brink of in 2017, it was Chiwenga's firm hand and unwavering resolve that cut through the confusion and restored direction. He did not seek power for personal glory. He stepped forward because the nation's future demanded someone strong, principled, and loyal to the people. Today, as vice president, he continues that same mission, holding the state together while others talk and scheme. The leader Zimbabwe must choose. In a time of economic hardship, political uncertainty, and global pressure, Zimbabwe does not need delicate diplomacy, pretending things are fine. It needs a leader who will defend sovereignty, protect ordinary citizens, and deliver real results. General Chiwenga embodies that strength. His background in the security services means he understands threats not only from without, but also from within the corridors of power. The next president by the will of the people. Whispers are already turning into a chorus. The people know who stood firm while others faltered. They remember who spoke plainly when others hid behind empty words. General Chiwenga is more than a candidate. He is the inevitable next president. As the inevitable next president of Zimbabwe, the people's leader, the defender of the nation, and the architect of its renewed future. Dogma developments obuda pangwa ino. Bila comment section medu zafungura ilmu kudipa msobe chitko each. So subscribe or like, want you to turn on the bell icon.